God, I love your hair. I love your skin color. And I'm like, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And the next question that pops up is, so I seriously don't know what you guys want me to do. Do you want me to lie? No, I tell you the truth. And you're mad. Why are you mad at me? I just told you the simple truth. So why is the truth making you angry? I don't get it. So meeting someone for the first time and they're like, oh my God, I love your hair. I love your skin color. And I'm like, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And the next question that pops up is, what's your skincare routine? And I'm like, oh my God, should I say something here? Should I? Should I? You really want to know? And they're like, yeah, I want to know. Your skin looks so beautiful and all that. And I tell them the truth and they're mad at me for saying the truth. Do you want me to lie? I don't get it. Is it that I don't get? I want to understand. Is it that you guys want me to lie or you want to really hear the truth? So here is here is something I don't do. I don't like lying, especially when it comes to my skin or anything. I don't use nothing on my skin. This is my skin. I have no skincare routine whatsoever. I I don't think I even want to have any. But on a more serious note, I really don't have any skincare routine. So for those expecting a skincare product recommendation, I do not have that. And I don't mean to brag. I'm not bragging, but God's awesome. That's the only thing I can say because I know this skin is God at work in my life. But I'm even scared of trying out new products. I don't even like using anything. To be honest, the only thing I use for my skin at this moment, the only thing I know I use for my skin, I use Nivea cream. That's the only lotion I use on my skin. No skincare routine, nothing whatsoever. I use just the Nivea cream. I know some people would say, oh, you're not using any skincare product or you don't have a skincare routine because you don't have the money or you can't afford it. Well, that's your business. I don't have I don't use any skincare products because I have the skin I like, I have the skin I want, I have the skin God's blessed me with. And I'm grateful to God for that. Yeah, right now I'm actually bragging. Yes. This skin you're seeing is the glory of God. Believe it or not. I don't care, man. I'm just saying. Just when people tell you the truth about their skin, don't judge them for it or don't make it look like they are poor or don't make it look like they're doing the wrong thing for not using any skincare product. Maybe they just have the best skin. Maybe they're okay with their skin. They love their skin just the way it is. Just don't make them feel bad about it or don't make them feel less of themselves just because they are not using any skincare products. You should calm down. Calm down, eh? So for those saying, how come it's only Nivea you're using and your skin, you're just lying, you know? I said I've had to like ignore a lot of people because when I tell them, oh, I don't have any skincare routine, I don't use any skincare products, and they're like, why are you lying? In my mind, I'm like, I'm tired of explaining myself. If you want to believe that I'm lying, believe it. If you want to believe I'm saying the truth, believe it because this is just the truth. Why would I lie? What was that? So for those still arguing with themselves, this is what I use. This is the only cream I'm using on my skin right now. This is the only cream I'm using. Nothing else. I'm using Nivea Perfect and Radiant. I'm not trying to advertise Nivea products. No, I'm not doing that. But this skin you're saying that you like so much is not my doing. Neither is it this. It had just always been this. I just had to get Nivea. Okay, so it would be that I'm rubbing something on my skin. I have a lotion to just moisturize my skin with. That's all. My skin is just gone. I'm not saying having a skincare routine is bad or using skincare products is bad. I never said that. All I'm saying is allow other people breathe. When you ask them what they use for their skin and they say they don't use anything, let them be. Don't go around gossiping and making them feel like they are not in this world, or making them feel like they can't afford it. Some people can, but there's nothing wrong with their skin, so they don't see any need to go around buying products to use for their skin. So when you ask someone and they say they're not using anything for their skin, don't be offended. And don't make it look like they are the ones who have the problem. Or don't make it look like there's something wrong with them just because they're not using any skincare product. It's normal not to use skincare product. It's a normal thing because God gave you a skin. But then everybody has different things that they like. They like it differently. So if someone says they're not using anything for their skin, calm down. They might not just be using anything. So don't be offended. It's not their fault. I'm just saying, man, it's not easy to be a lady. We all know that. So don't put people under pressure. Don't do that. It's unreasonable. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. A bientôt! Bientôt!